Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am filming my evening routine, not necessarily just my beauty routine, but just what I come home and do in the evening. So it's like about 5 o'clock right now, and I'm just going to kind of chill for a little while. It's too early to make dinner, I think, so I'm just going to kind of light some candles, and I think I'm just gonna watch YouTube for a little while. And if you want to see how cute my dog is, hold on. Say hi. Oh, she's so beautiful. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah, so anyway, let me show you the candles that I've been lighting recently. So this is a pine candle, a fresh balsam candle, and I love it because it smells like pine, obviously. So there's that one, and I'm also, sorry for the mess, been getting a lot done today, so I'm also going to light this candle over here, which is one of the ones from Target, and it is their Cabin Retreat, and this one is really annoying me because it keeps dying. Like the wick keeps dying on me. So I just recorded myself for like a minute without actually recording, but I decided to just get rid of that candle and start a new one. So this is Hot Buttered Rum from the Target collection, and actually I have a tip for you for all you candle lovers out there. So my tip is actually the first time you're burning a candle, you have to burn it so it goes all the way around, not so there's just like a hole in the middle, because otherwise it remembers like the first burn or something like that, and you'll always have like that ring of wax around it that's so annoying that you can never get rid of. So if you're gonna light a candle the first time, you have to be committed to it for at least until it is completely has a layer of like the hot wax. So I'm going to start cooking my dinner now. I'm just gonna do kind of like a quick type of, what do they call those? Like fast forward? Time lapse. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me cooking dinner. But if you wanna know what I'm cooking, it should hopefully have been posted on my blog last week, which I will link to below. But yeah, so I'm gonna get started making some dinner. And it's just for me tonight, eating for one, but that's okay. So here I go. So I just finished up my dinner and it was really delicious. I loved it. I've done like part of this before, but I never thought to put all these vegetables in it. So yeah, highly recommend it. The blog post will be linked below if you want to check it out, but it's perfect. It's an easy dinner, weeknight dinner, delicious. Get your veggies, get your protein. Put a little cheese on it. It was delicious. But so yeah, now I'm just going to take the dog out. Take the dog out. Mina. I'm just going to take the dog out, and sorry my lipstick is like, I just ate, and also I've had this on for like many hours today. But anyway, I'm going to just take the dog out, then clean up the kitchen. Then I'm probably just going to hop in the shower so I can put on my pajamas and just be all comfy and cozy and ready to relax. So sorry this isn't the best lighting, but I'm just sitting on the couch. I got out of the shower, obviously. I got my turban on, yes. I always look this flawless and fabulous in the evening. But I think I'm just going to sit and read. I didn't film like any of my shower, not that I would, not like me in the shower, but like, cleaning off my makeup, things like that. I didn't because my camera battery was dying, so I just let it charge the whole time I was in the bathroom and the shower. So we're good to go now, but that's why I didn't film that. So I'm just going to read. I'm currently reading Amanda Wakes Up by Allison Camerota. It's pretty good. It's definitely like a chick lit, that's what they call it. I wanted to say chick flick, but chick lit type of book, but I enjoy it. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill out for a while. I lit the candles back up after my shower, and I'll probably have a snack type thing soon, and my boyfriend will be home, and maybe I can convince him to watch a movie with me. So I'll see where the evening takes us.